How to convert Roman numerals to Arabic numerals in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent way that will help you converting Roman number to Arabic number. Okay, let's get started. Now, I want to convert this using a simple function which is named Arabic function in Excel. Okay, for that I'm going to write here equal to and then write ARA, and here we have our Arabic function and it says converts a Roman numeral to Arabic. So I'm going to double click here and it has only one parameter which is text, because all Roman numerals are in text format, and if I click here and our formula is complete, I'm going to close parentheses and press enter, and we have just successfully converted Roman numerals to Arabic numerals. And if I double click here, it will autofill the formula, and you can see we have successfully converted all the Roman numerals we had in column A, and we have converted to Arabic numerals in column B. And this is what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.